If you are facing an issues where Instagram Reels videos lose their sounds after downloading, then simply follow these tested solution to fix it. Instagram removes copyrighted audio from Reels when downloading due to copyright sections, but however, you can fix this using the other methods. So, first of all, downloading does not work for you, then record the reel manually. Go to the settings and enable screen recording. Open Instagram and play the reel, and swipe down and tap the record button. Stop the recording when done. Also, you can use apps like InShot or CapCut to trim and enhance your recorded video as well. Now, the final tip is to use another app. You can simply use CapCut or InShot or any other app to back up with sound. All you have to do is open the CapCut on your mobile device, and inside CapCut, go to the new project and go to the reel you want to save video for. You can simply tap on the sounds and again extract the sound from the video or download it from TikTok or any other platform. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.